Hi there and welcome to this little Blender 2.8 Evee compositing course. In this course we will create a typical 1950s to 1980s phosphor screen CRT overlay that you see in many movies. We will actually doing this in Blender with Blender Evee, so that renders really quick. We will go into render layers, why we would use render layers, so that we can easily swap out looks. And then the focus in this course is on compositing. We'll take a very boring, plain, simple shot and we'll use it to create something that is more appealing. And then we'll take that result and comp it into a live piece of footage like this. And then we have a lot of decisions along the way because we created something for a CRT screen that glows a lot. And then we'll need to match it to an LCD screen inside of a car. So some compositing challenges that we will gradually investigate step by step along the way. So I hope you learn something and that you enjoy it. Let's jump right in.